playing in Minecraft. So I'm getting outside. I'm not gonna build it here. I'm gonna find a new spot. My own world. Yeah, I didn't look at this though. Wait, let's go down. Let's go down. I can go more down. Wait. Whoa. Wait, what the heck? Yo. They're just crazy. They're just crazy, bro. It just... Wait, I can't... Oh. Bro, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I am cooked. I'm cooked. I am cooked. Wait, shoot. Oh, shoot. To go up. Yep. I'm stuck here forever now. To find a way to go up. Oh. Wait a second. Let's go. Oh. Wait, there too? Well, I'm sleeping there. I'm cooked. Spider. Got a fatty. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the tallest one. Look at that over there. I'll try to build a banana. So what I'm gonna do? Dig it. Dig. I don't need anything from here. Let's put it back. Wait, what is that? Did someone... Oh, shoot, wait. There's someone already made it here. I'm gonna steal it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dig it. This is gonna be my new home, please. This is my new home. Hey, bro. This is my new home. Let's go. Hey, what is that? What's that? Wait. Get outside. Oh. Shoo. Yup. It cooked. Let me do that much. This is good. Yeah, I'm bored, bro. I'm bored with this. I'm bored. I think so. I should play. What are many games? Core Driving 2025. This game is so sick. I got Lamborghini Urus, I got Lamborghini Huracan, and Volkswagen. And there was one more. I don't know. That's a Lamborghini too. I'm waiting for it. Loading. Driving School 2025. This thing is sick. So I'm gonna take my Lamborghini Huracan. This one, look at these. These are the cars. And I'm gonna have some more cars. Not some more cars, bro. Look at this. Look at this one. Look at this one. So sick, right? Just so sick. Let me give you some. Oh wait, I want to show you guys the Nissan GTR. I love Nissan. Oh wait, yeah. Not that good. What the heck? That's why no one likes it, bro. No. What the heck was that? I need some. What about this? This thing is sick. Oh, what about this one? Let's see, I'm gonna take my Lamborghini. Right, let's do high, city night. Let's do city night. High traffic, high traffic. I want high traffic. I want high traffic. This is too much traffic, bro. A little bit low. Yep. That's high. Really high. Oh crap. Yep. It's a crash. What the heck they're doing? Bro. That's it. What the? So easy. I'm gonna stay here. Whoa, look at this car. Bro, who has cars, bro? Why is there too much traffic? Look at the line. Look at the line, though. Let me show you my car noise read. Let me just park it. Hey. See ya, boy. Oh, shoot. I want that spot. Actually, nah, bro, you can't have it. I don't care that much. Because I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take that one. You guys think this is the best one? So, wait, look at this. Wait, let me just show you. Look at the car. What the? That's it. You're cooked, bro. Cooked as a. Yeah, back 1-1. Where's cooked? Where? Screw you, bro. Screw you. Get out of here. Let him go for. But cool. What are you doing, bro? Or taking me? Go last one, go for it. No, you want to do last one. Okay, let's go. Just kidding. Yeah! Let me see. Look at this kid. Yeah, this was what I wanted. Okay, it's cooked. Let me see his car. Get out of my car. Why did this go like that? Wait, did he go? He's so far, bro. He went away. Well, actually, you didn't know. Let's go. I'm gonna jump in his car. Wait, let me just jump in my car too. Yeah. Normal kid. So, me show you my house first. Let's go to my house. Oh yeah, I wanna drift, bro. I didn't drift for like so long. I don't drift. This is cooked. My car is cooked. Stop the drift mode. Stop the drift mode. It's cooked. Hey. Taxi. Let's do taxi. Let's start a taxi. I'm a taxi driver. Olivia, okay. Let's go. Let's be a normal driver. Normal man. Get out of here. Where's taxi, buddy? Buddy, you're so far off here. I'm gonna put my car right here. Oh, I wanna go. I just. Oh shit, I got it. Wait. Okay, I got 7 bro. I got so less time. I have to run. Oh, no. What the is it? Olivia. Are they saying like the brother sister? So this guy is a boy. Remember? Good. Hold on. Oh, Randy. No good. Let's go. Oh, last time, but well. Oh shit. Go fast, I don't know what's time, bro. The last time where I'm gonna get out on the ground. Really soon. Full speed. Oh! Hey. No. I'm cooked. I know I'm cooked as well. Hey, nothing happened though. Is it considering you? No, I don't want to do taxi anymore. And taxi. So my home is near to this kid. So park there. There's no out there. There's dog. Should all the homes. All the homes are like this. These are all the homes. I can loop. And my house is not any. It's like right here. My own house. 2 driveways. I don't know why I have to jump, bro. I don't want to jump. Look at this. Why does this look like my classmate who's like really white? Boy, he's jumping so way. way. Let's go inside. Mom, do you lock the door? Jump, 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 jump. Jump like a good boy. Let's go. I have to take a loop. I have to go. Oh no, that's not the thing. Go. Can go again. Yep, work out on the road. I have to take it to the road. Oh god, so something I talk like this. No, get a take out like that. Have to go hurry, don't take a repetitive. Go straight, oh shoot, wait. Go straight, go straight. You come up on this. Oh shoot. You're getting cooked. This one. Oh, bad for them. They're cooked. They're cooked. They're cooked now. Cook. Oh shit. Oh crap. You can go house. It hurts. What the hell? It's all right here. I come up here. No, not this side. I'll have to show you this too, but I'll just take it here where I have to go. There's a munchkin yak here. There's a America. This is not my car. I don't know which state this is. So I'm right here. Well, I'll just say. Yeah, and so if I have to go really fast to that, what I have to do is go run. Get it? Go here. I need my food. Pork. Order it. Drive. Absolute food. With that time, I'm cooked. Just take 2 minutes to get the food. After that, go. If you're bossy, you don't have work today. You can't just chill out your home. Just put a break and go to sport mode again. Like that. Come on, take it out. Oh shoot, cooked. After that, just take it. And yeah, right here. Oh shoot, cooked again. So I'm sponsoring this game play. So this game's name is Car School Driving 2025, and that's it. And see you.